Hello and welcome to the Ile Notre Dame once again for what promises to be another incredible Canadian Grand Prix at a fiercely competitive circuit, where pole position can often be decided by less than a tenth of a second. It's a tricky circuit to tackle in wet conditions, with top speed still of critical importance down the long back straight. There are 2.7 miles and 14 corners overall on a circuit that in the dry can see average lap speeds of around 130 miles per hour. We'll be lucky to get anywhere near that today. Anthony Davidson joins me again for the race today. Let's have a chat about McLaren. What do you make of their performance so far this season?
Well, the atmosphere within that team seems very positive at the moment. Everyone seems like they're in great spirits and having a lot of fun doing what they do, and that's definitely contributed to the performances we've seen.
It's time to see how our drivers are stacking up after yesterday's exciting qualifying session. Charles Leclerc lines up on pole position, and it's Valtteri Bottas that completes the front row. Looking at the rest of today's grid, we have the owner driver, Hamilton, Max Verstappen and Perez, Gasly, Norris, Ricciardo and Sebastian Vettel, Sainz, Stroll, Yuki Tsunoda and Raikkonen, Fernando Alonso, Ocon, Antonio Giovinazzi and George Russell, Ireland, Latifi, Mick Schumacher and Nikita Mazepin. And with preparations almost complete, let's head down to the track.
Now that we've got some points on the board, let's continue this form and aim for another top 10 finish. Okay, we're monitoring some wear on the ICE. Be aware that we will start to see a loss of power. This is your final lap of the race. There's 3 laps of fuel remaining. Yes, 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 we're on the podium. Good job this weekend, great drive, thank you.
That's it then for another magnificent Canadian Grand Prix, and they've hung on to take a sublime victory here today. So Anthony, what made the difference out there today?
I'd say it was down once again to good, consistent driving, nailing the corners, working to the track conditions and perfecting the team's strategies. They got all of these things right today and the results speak for themselves.
Mercedes are on top form once again after an excellent race weekend. It's great to see them up on that podium once again. A result as he pushes his championship lead out even further. So, Anthony Davidson, who would you rank as your driver of the day?